Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome to the new recipe kitchen. We try new things each time, and today we have something very unique. Good morning, afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So today the new recipe is going to be sweet potato porridge with beef liver. So I'm going to take you around and show you each of what the recipe is involved. So we have sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A. It provides a single serving provides over about 600% of your recommended daily intake. We have onions. Health benefits is it has anti-cancer compounds. It's an antioxidant as well. It may support heart health. Then we have garlic, which is also anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. Then we have tumeric, which is also anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. As also garlic, which also supports heart health, which is also anti-inflammatory. Then we have ripe plantain, which is rich in iron. Then we have long red pepper as well, which is rich source of also vitamin C as well. Then we have dill. Dill is a fresh vegetable, so this is how dill looks as well. So this is the one we've already pulled off. And we also have olive oil as well, which is also a rich source of vitamin E as well. And we have spring onions, so these ones have already been cut as well. And we have key thing, which is the beef liver as well. And bit by bit we're going to go step by step and show you how. So we have the sweet potato here as well, so we're going to peel it off with a peeler here as well. So gradually peel it off bit by bit, cut off the edges as well. So sweet potato, like I said, is very rich in vitamin A. So you gradually, slowly, painstakingly peel it off bit by bit, peel it off bit by bit as well, peel it off bit by bit. Then gradually, painstakingly